experts say time is running out to prevent disaster unless we seriously change our habits.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Fortune favors the frugal. Ikea, the wonderful everyday.
One little thing. What's one little thing going to do? But what if that one little thing wasn't a lonely little thing? Instead, that one little thing was just one of lots of one little things. Lots of one little things that together are many big little things. Solving many big problems. Then that one little thing isn't such a little thing. That one little thing can change the world.